Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out in your canvas on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started, guys. So it depends a little bit on the question which operating system or device you're using. For example, if you're using a Windows computer instead of a Mac, for example, you may use the shortcut Control or left control on your keyboard, press and hold it, and use your mouse wheel, for example, to zoom in or to zoom out. The other option would be to use these plus and minus buttons in the bottom right corner. Or the third option would be to enter the value here of the zooming level. However, guys, if you're using a Mac, you would need to use the shortcut Command instead of left control on your keyboard and repeat the same process. Press and hold the Command key on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out anywhere you like here on your canvas. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.